In a business environment where there's increased variability and complexity, where real time is the new normal, do companies have the right software applications to help them make the best decisions to run their business? No, because their legacy planning systems are slow and inflexible, making it hard for planners to sense and respond in real time as market conditions shift. Sales, supply chain, finance, they all work in different modules, so there's no end-to-end view of the business. Aligning everyone takes too long. Being able to do fast scenario planning remains a dream for most companies. And as the business changes, old planning tools are too rigid to adapt to the new reality. This is why so much happens in spreadsheets. Many spreadsheets. Lots of spreadsheets. But today, there's already a better way. Companies can now replace their decade-old systems with modern cloud-native platforms that give them the planning and decision-making capabilities that they need now. By turning data into knowledgeable insights and using those insights to inform decisions, the O9 digital brain is helping supply chains drive enterprise-wide value. It is cloud-native, horizontally integrated, exception-based planning with a modern UX, flexible so that it easily adjusts to changes in the business. This AI ML-powered, continuously learning, live connected environment is the next generation planning and decision-making platform that supply chains need now. The compelling proof comes from the companies who are already transforming their business toward a digital operating model by leveraging this new way of working. Real-time scenarios compare options at a moment's notice, identifying the impact of decisions and creating financial visibility across the business. There is no more button pushing and waiting. There is no more debating about data availability. No need for spreadsheets to fill the gaps. This is what's real now. One platform with live scenario planning across an end-to-end view of the business in real time, integrating all functions from supply chain to finance to commercial and procurement, enabling new levels of flexibility, speed, and decision-making.